Are you an importer from Nigeria looking for places or legitimate means by which you can buy the cheapest RMB into your WeChat or Alipay accounts? If yes, then watch this video to the end as I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step ways by which you can buy RMB at the cheapest rate into your Alipay or your WeChat account. So without much ado, you can either take your computer system or your laptop or your smartphone and you launch your Chrome browser. So when you launch your Chrome browser, then it opens to this very interface for you. This is the platform that we are going to use it to buy RMB into our Alipay or your WeChat account. So when you get to this very interface, what you need to do is, they say fund any Alipay, WeChat, and bank account within 5 to 30 minutes. Meaning, when you make use of this portal, within 5 to 30 minutes, they will credit your Alipay or your WeChat account. So when you scroll down, you can see other information that if, for instance, you want to make inquiries and all that, you can see their current rate. Depending on the time that you are visiting the website, you see their current rate and you are just good to go. If you haven't created an account on this platform yet, then you can click on login or register. Or if you're already having an account on this platform, then you can still proceed from this side and you are good to go. So I click on login or register. I'm not going to walk you through how to how do you call it, create an account, but all you creating an account on the platform is so simple. So when you create the account, the next thing you need to do, this interface will be open to you. So when you get here, what you need to do from here is to click on buy RMB. So I click on buy RMB. So it will open the next interface for you. So when you come here, let me explain from here. So this is the current rate as of today. This rate varies as and when the stock market changes or the exchange rate changes. So if, for instance, you are buying the RMB into your personal Alipay or your WeChat account, you have to click on personal. If you are paying using the supplier's Alipay or WeChat QR code, then you need to select this. So in my case, for instance, I'll walk you through how you can buy the RMB from this very portal into your personal Alipay or your WeChat account. So I click on personal. Then when you get to this very interface, you can either leave it on Naira or RMB. That is, if, for instance, you are having like 5,000 RMB or 25,000 RMB, you can leave it here. Or probably you have RMB and you want to RMB, let's take that 1,000 RMB. I don't know its equivalent in Naira. So you can switch it to RMB and you can see that where we have this side, you can just select and enter the 1,000 RMB. So if, for instance, you just enter, as I said earlier, you enter the amount as to whether RMB or you want to enter into Naira, that one depends on you. So you just do the switching from this very side. So what you need to do, having entered that, so for you to get 5,000 RMB into your Alipay or your WeChat account, you will need about 815,000 Naira for you to get this. So any amount that you just want to buy into your Alipay account, you just enter and you are just good to go. The equivalent will be issued here. So having done all these things, what you need to do from here is you get to Alipay or WeChat QR code. So from here, you have to come and click here. Click here to upload. You have to click here and go and upload the QR code of your either Alipay or WeChat account. So I'm looking for mine and I'll just upload it and we are good to go. So this is my Alipay QR code. So I've just uploaded so you can see it uploading. Mind you, when you have multiple QR codes on your smartphone or on your computer system, be very careful when choosing it. Either than that, you will go and credit someone's account without your knowing, and this platform will not be held liable or based on the negligence you might have played. So the next thing you need to do from here is you input maybe a name, and you are just good to go. So from here, what you need to do is to click on continue. When you are being brought to this very interface, you just have to cross-check all the details that you have on the details that you have been presented to. If, for instance, you have to check the name, the phone number, and the email if it is correct. If it is correct, then you are good to go. You check the amount that you have entered and how much you are supposed to pay, and you are just good to go. So from this interface, what you need to do is to click on place order. I click on place order. But I take us to the next interface. So when it brings you to this very interface, you say, thank you, your order has been received. What happens is the email account that you have used in creating an account on this very portal, an email will be sent to you at the first place. So what you need to do when you get here is to scroll down. Then you come and take your smartphone that you have the electronic cash on it. Then you transfer the 815,000 naira into this very account that they will give to you. Mind you, the account may vary as and when you are purchasing RMB from this very portal. Then you just send it. Then you keep a screenshot and you're good to go. So you can just see everything for yourself. So when you scroll down to, you just see the details and you are good to go. So within 5 to 30 minutes, your Alipay or your WeChat account will be credited with the equivalent of amount that you have purchased from this very platform. This is a platform that I have purchased RMB from on countless occasions. When you check in the description of this very video, you can see that I have even demonstrated a practical tutorial for the Ghanaians who want to buy RMB from at a cheaper rate, and is these same people that are behind the platform that we Ghanaians we also use it to buy RMB. So folks, this is how you buy the RMB at a cheaper rate if you live in Nigeria. So if you have any question other than what I have shared with you, let me know in the comment section. If today is your first time coming across my channel, I'll plead with you to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated as and when I drop a new video. You can follow Morning Smile GH on Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp channel, Instagram, and stay updated. For more information, check in the description of this video. See you in my next tutorial.